What's going on, everybody? Travis Witherspoon, Carter Cow Capital, Trade with Travis on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to be very brief, but I'm going to end up asking you three questions. One, how would you like to be able to make over $800 without necessarily having to be able to do anything aside for click on auto trade? Okay, well, let's answer this question. How would you like to be able to create an extra $130 of passive income? Be able to pay off your phone. You can actually be able to use your phone as an ATM machine by being able to use the FXSTRIKER automated system. Over the course of the last 4 months, we've been able to generate over 757% when it comes down to these three trading systems alone. I would love for you to be able to get a part and be able to get your own copy of the FXSTRIKER. Now, as a overall celebration, on June 26th, we'll be in business for over 3 years at this particular point. My gift to you is this. If you want to be able to get started with the FXSTRIKER, I will give you $500 off just by being able to go ahead and get started with us before the end of the overall month. If you'd like to be able to learn a little bit more, you can go to cartercowcapital.com/start here, or you can go to cartercowcapital.com/FXSTRIKER to be able to get a little bit more information, or you can send a comment in this very video. We'd love to be able to hear from you. Like always, plan your trade, trade your plan. Everyone, y'all have a good day.